Hi guys, I'm Haven and I'm here with Britney.
Hi guys.
And we're driving a Maserati. And Britney's gonna tell us some specs about this.
Ooh. What I can tell about this Maserati, I don't know if you know, but the trunk, it's really a joke. Like it's too small. And for a girl, not so good, you know?
We talked, yeah. Can't even put our purse in there almost.
Yeah. But curious thing, I don't know if you know about this car, is made almost by carbon fiber. I don't know if so it's lighter and resistant, so that's really good. And also, I don't know if you know, but the doors are open upwards, so it's kind of like a butterfly. So would you like to go on this test drive, guys? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I've never heard a car vroom like that.
No?
Wow, okay.
This is my first time riding a Maserati, so...
I've never been in one.
No, me neither. Okay, so let's go.
Let's go, oh my goodness. Wow.
This is really, really nice.
This is cool.
Yeah.
I'm used to my Prius.
But this is so fun to drive.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah.
Going downhill too is very cool.
Yeah, the view is amazing.
The view is so pretty.
Yeah.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a Chevrolet.
Okay.
I don't know, it's the same model in here in America, but in Argentina, the model is a Cruise.
Uh-huh.
And the segment is a Premier.
Okay.
That is the best one, like I can say. It's really comfortable and it's automatic also. It has a really big trunk, so I really like that. It's a medium-sized car.
Yeah.
But for me, it's the best because I'm a girl, like.
Yeah, I don't need anything big.
Yeah, but I need space.
Yeah,
like,
kind of like a mom car, but cute.
But, yeah, not so boring, I could say.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. What kind of car do you have?
I drive a Volvo. Well, I just bought it this last like February. I just bought my Volvo.
Yeah.
I drove a Prius the whole time before.
Okay.
I like it. It's blue, so it's cute. Yeah. I like a cute car.
Yeah, I kind of like the white cars.
Uh-huh.
So mine is white.
Yours is white?
Yeah.
There's a lot of white cars.
Yeah. I think it's better because you cannot see
all the imperfections, all the dirt on it.
Yeah.
I think people think a black car like hides the dirt, but it shows it the most.
Yeah. Before the Cruise, I had another one. And it was black, and it was, oh my God, I just have to
wash it every single week.
Every single time. And it was, I don't like it. Like, I'm not a boy. Like, the boys needs to have always the car washed, and I'm not like that. Like, I can spend months without washing.
Same. I don't like washing my car.
Yeah,
it's so funny.
Yeah, I feel the same. Like, it has to be really, really dirty. So I just leave it like that. I
don't think I ever look at the outside of my car. As long as the inside's clean, that's perfectly fine.
Yeah, that works also for me.
That's so funny. My boyfriend will be like, yeah, I'm gonna go take our cars to get washed today. I'm like, washed? Okay.
Yeah, like, you wanna do it? No, I'm fine.
Not me.
Yeah, I can wait another month maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel the same way.
I just want a cute car. Oh, a speed bump?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine.
This car has, I don't know if you know, it has a button to lift the car.
Oh, wow. No way.
Because it's really low. So if you want to keep the car bumped, you just have to press that button.
I was wondering, because I'm like, how can you go over a speed bump and not, wreck your expensive car? How much do you think this car costs?
Oh, I have literally not a clue.
I'm gonna guess $253.
Oh, maybe
oh,
we can look it
no.
up.
Sorry, not 253, 253,000. That's my guess.
Yeah, like this car has to get a lot of money.
Do you know it? Are you like a car girl? Do you like when you see like a car like this?
Yeah, I like it, but I think now I'm more like the big cars. I think this is for
This is like
maybe
fun to drive around the city.
Yeah, but probably not for a family, I would say.
Oh, absolutely not. Oh, there's not even back seats back there.
No. And the trunk, have you seen the trunk?
No, guys, there's no back seats.
Oh my God, it's literally a joke.
It's like put your purse in there or something.
Yeah, and it's literally full. Like a pair of glasses, a bag, and that's it.
Wow.
Like it's not for a girl. Definitely.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't buy it for me because it's too small. But maybe if you wanted to try like this, I think it's a good idea.
So you think if you took this to the grocery store, you could not put all your groceries back there?
No, maybe one bag.
1 gallon of milk in the trunk.
And that's it, guys. Like if you're really hungry or you need to fill your fridge, it's not a car. Like, no.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
So you think people just buy this to kind of just drive around for fun? Almost like a motorcycle, right? Like motorcycles aren't meant to just, you know, take you everywhere or like, I mean, some people do use them as, you know, normal transportation, but it's kind of like a fun thing, right?
Yeah, I think the same.
It's fun to drive though. I've never had this experience.
Me neither.
Like I said, I've always drove a Prius until I bought my Volvo, so.
Yeah. I drove back in home a trunk that it's the Ford Raptor. I don't know if you heard it.
Oh, I've heard of that, yeah.
It's really fun. It's really big, but for me, it's like a beast. Like it's so powerful. Like I really like that kind of cars.
A powerful one?
Yeah, and big ones. But
I think they
it's
scare
better
me.
No, it's really fun. You know, I drove it in the beach. That it's
like on the beach?
Yeah, on the beach.
Whoa, really?
That's really, really fun to do that.
I've never done that. That does sound kind of fun, like an off-roading.
Yeah, the off-road mode, I really like it.
I've been in it's an RTV, one of those cars that you like drive around in the mountains. It's not like a...
The 4-wheel?
Yeah.
I drove one.
Really?
Also. Yeah, and then I fell.
Oh no.
Also, yeah, I had a little bit of an accident.
Oh, were you hurt?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I just fell with my best friend and we just rolled on the sand.
That's so scary.
Unfortunately, for me, it was the worst because the 4-wheel, it just drove over me. And
oh my goodness, like what part of your body?
Yeah, all over my body.
Oh my God.
I couldn't get out of there, so when I did, I found out that I had like I didn't break my ribs, but I had I had a traumatist in there, so I had to get on bed rest for 40 days.
Oh my goodness!
So that was
How long ago was that?
On February.
And you're doing fine now?
Yeah.
Do you have any like scrapes or like scars from it?
No, you know that my skin was perfect.
Hell yeah!
Get out, like
something was watching over you.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Luckily, it wasn't that bad, you know. But it was like my first experience as I.
Are you gonna ever do it again?
I went again.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
That's so funny. Wow, Brittany, I've never experienced something like that.
No, me neither.
I think I want to drive these more.
Yeah, this is so much fun.
That was so fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for driving me around, Brittany. That was seriously so much fun.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see more of our content, please subscribe. We would much appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Bye.
See you next time.